Greetings. Welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is KWANE the Pilot Russell, a Methodist minister, and I'll be reading one of my favorite passages. For more information about me, you can check the description below. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. The program is shared 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, I'm going to read from Matthew 25, 1 to 13. The story about the 10 young girls. That time then, God's kingdom I go come in like 10 young girls will take them lamp, go meet the man where I get married. 5 of them did fool, and the next 5 did have sense. When the fool one them take for them lamp, them never bring extra oil. But the one them will have sense, did walk with extra oil for them lamp. The bridegroom did that take long for come, and sleep did start to hold them down, and the whole of them drop asleep. But in the middle of the night, somebody shout out, "Hey, the bridegroom there, come meet him." The young girl them get up and start to fix up them lamp so it could have been good. Hear the fool one them to the wise one them. Give us some money and coffee with lamp soon out. No, them answer back. We don't have enough to share for we and uno. Go to who sell and go buy some. But when them go, where them did buy the oil, the bridegroom go come. And the one them where did ready, go with him. Which part the wedding did I keep? Then the servant them lock the door. Look more. The other young girl them come back. Hear them now? Lord, open the door for we now. But him answer back, hear me now? And that true me attack. Me no even know no. So hear what? Make sure you ever ready and a look out. Cause you no know which day or at what time the man where God pick I go come back. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.